The next time you cook chicken, try this easy and delicious recipe. Chicken breast is a rich source of proteins, vitamins with a low fat content. It also contains zinc, selenium, magnesium, and calcium. I start this recipe with a whole chicken breast, which I cut in half. After each half, I cut it into strips. You need a well-sharpened knife so that you can easily cut these strips without breaking the meat. Until I finish cutting the chicken breast, please tell me which country you're watching this video from and I'll send you a hug. Today's hug is for Constantine from Romania. Put the chicken breast strips in a large bowl. Add a whole egg and 2 more yolks. Like you see in this video, choose high-quality eggs. Then add chopped parsley for fresh flavor, 3 tablespoons of semolina, which will help this composition to have consistency, 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic, 2 teaspoons of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix all the contents well. We will get the most delicious chicken meatballs, which you can do without a grinder. After you have put all the spices, mix all the contents well. Now after everything is well mixed, add about 150 grams of mozzarella cheese. Then mix all the contents well again. In a frying pan over medium heat, pour cooking oil or a piece of butter. Then put the meatballs you prepared from the chicken breast one by one in the pan to fry on low heat. I fried them for about 7 minutes on one side, after which I turned them on the other side. If you fry them on low heat and they are already brown, then they are ready on the inside as well. Look how good the crust looks. Maybe it seems complicated, but it's not. With all the preparation, I made these meatballs in 25 minutes. They are a perfect dose of protein for breakfast or dinner. My little girl can't wait for me to give her some meatballs to eat. When you see that they are ready, transfer them to a plate. You can pair these meatballs with mashed potatoes, pasta, or rice. The foundation of these meatballs is high-quality chicken, which provides a lean yet juicy base. The inclusion of eggs in the mixture is crucial as it acts as a binder, ensuring that the meatballs hold together well during cooking while adding a subtle richness to the flavor. The eggs contribute to a moist and tender texture, making each bite of the meatball melt in your mouth. As the meatballs cook, the mozzarella melts, infusing them with a creamy consistency. This melting cheese creates a delightful surprise in each bite. Chicken meatballs made with eggs, mozzarella cheese, and parsley shows that you can make a delicious meal with the help of very simple ingredients.